What's up, everyone? It's a beautiful day in the world of tech, and guess what? We've got our hands on the latest sensation that's been buzzing in everyone's pockets, the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 13 Pro. Now, I know what you're thinking, just a smartphone review, right? But hold on to your hats, because this isn't just any review. We're about to dive deep into what makes the Redmi Note 13 Pro not just a device, but a companion for your daily adventures. Feast your eyes on this stunner, a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that's so vivid you'll need sunglasses to handle the brightness. And with a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through your feed feels like gliding on ice. Under the hood? Oh, it's a beast. The Snapdragon 7 chipset is the brain behind the brawn, ensuring that whether you're gaming or multitasking, you're doing it at lightning speed. Snap. That's the sound of the 200-megapixel main camera capturing life in pixel-perfect clarity. And for the selfie connoisseurs, a 16-megapixel front camera that makes sure your selfie game is top-notch. And let's talk about staying powered up. The 5100 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging means you're ready to roll all day and then some. Forget the charger, live your life unplugged. The price of the phone is about 23,999 Indian rupees and $291 style alert. The Redmi Note 13 Pro comes in colors that'll make you do a double take. Whether it's the sleek midnight black or the vibrant aurora purple, you're sure to turn heads. So there you have it, folks. The Redmi Note 13 Pro isn't just a phone. It's a statement. It's the perfect blend of power, style, and innovation, all wrapped up in one incredible package. If you love this fresh take on the Redmi Note 13 Pro, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome content.